Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am David. It is a pleasure to have you here today. Today, we have a very exciting topic. We are going to talk about a surprise visit. Have you ever had a surprise? Maybe a gift or a party. But the best surprise is often a person. When someone we love arrives without calling, it is a very special feeling. In this lesson, we will follow a story about Alex. Alex thinks he is having a normal, quiet afternoon. But suddenly, there is a knock at the door. I will speak very slowly. I will use simple words to help you learn how to describe people, emotions, and your home. After the story, we will practice speaking together. Are you ready for a surprise? Let's begin. Alex realizes something important. A quiet day is nice, but a day with family is much better. He is thankful for the rain, and he is very thankful for the surprise visit. The rain is still falling outside, but Alex does not care. He is not alone anymore. He has his sister. They spend the whole evening talking. They look at old photos on Alex's laptop. They plan what to eat for dinner. I am so glad you are here, Alex says. This is the best surprise ever. Sophie tells Alex about her job. She tells him about her new apartment. Alex tells Sophie about his English classes. He tells her about the new park near his house. They sit together on the sofa. The room feels different now. It is not quiet anymore. It is full of life. It is full of talking and laughing. Alex goes to the kitchen. He makes another cup of hot chocolate for Sophie. He adds extra marshmallows because he knows Sophie loves them. He also brings some cookies. Alex helps Sophie with her suitcase. It is very heavy. Come in, he says. Sit down. You must be cold. Sophie laughs. She walks into the living room. I wanted to surprise you for your birthday next week. I took the train this morning. Alex is so happy. He is very surprised. Sophie, what are you doing here? Why didn't you call me? Surprise, she says. She gives Alex a very big hug. Sophie is smiling very big. Her hair is a little bit wet from the rain. It is his sister, Sophie. Sophie lives in a different city. She lives very far away. Alex has not seen her for 6 months. Sophie, he cries. Alex opens the door. He gasps. He looks through the small hole in the door. He sees a person. The person is wearing a bright yellow raincoat. The person is holding a big suitcase. Suddenly, knock, knock, knock. Alex looks at the door. He is confused. He is not expecting anyone. He does not have a delivery. He does not have a meeting. He puts his book down and stands up. He walks to the door. It is a rainy Friday afternoon. Outside, the sky is gray. The rain is hitting the window very softly. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter. Inside, Alex is very cozy. He is sitting on his sofa. He is wearing his warm, green sweater. He has a book in his hand and a cup of hot chocolate on the table. Alex loves rainy days because he can stay inside and relax. He thinks, today is so quiet. I am happy to be alone. Now, let's practice your speaking. I will say a sentence. I will pause. You must repeat the sentence out loud. Let's start. It is a rainy Friday afternoon. Alex is sitting on his sofa. He hears a knock at the door. He is not expecting anyone. He looks through the door. He sees a person in a yellow raincoat. It is his sister, Sophie. She is holding a big suitcase. Alex is very surprised. She gives him a big hug. He makes a cup of hot chocolate. They talk and laugh together. Family surprises are the best. Alex is very happy today. Now, I will tell the story again, but a little bit faster. Listen to how the words connect. Ready? On a rainy Friday afternoon, Alex was relaxing at home with a book and some hot chocolate. Everything was quiet until he heard a knock at the door. He wasn't expecting anyone, so he was very confused. When he opened the door, he saw his sister Sophie standing there in a yellow raincoat. She had traveled a long way to give him a surprise visit for his birthday. Alex was so happy to see her. They sat on the sofa, drank hot chocolate, and talked for hours. Alex realized that even though he liked quiet days, having a surprise visit from family was much better. You did a fantastic job today. Surprises are a great way to learn feeling words like happy, surprised, and confused. Remember, the more you listen, the better you will speak. Thank you for spending your time with me, David, here on Speak Easy English. If you liked this story about Alex and Sophie, please like this video. It helps me create more lessons for you. Share this video with a friend who is learning English. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a new story. Now, I have a question for you. Do you like surprises? Has anyone ever given you a surprise visit? Tell me your story in the comments below. I love reading what you write. Keep practicing, stay happy, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.